MIT mathematician, the only NFL player to be an MIT professor now, and you walk me through it. It's pretty boring. Like what they do, there are a lot of principles. There are these textualist fealties they have to the actual Constitution that they're governed by. And I think they got this right. Texas beat Alabama to start their season. An incredible victory. Of course they got to be in. They destroyed Oklahoma State in the Big 12 game. And Alabama, the only question is, was it FSU or Alabama? And in this case, yes, I say this a bit reluctantly, your eye test was also the right answer. And so, congratulations on calling this and feeling it in your bones more than anything else.
And guys, we have video evidence that the committee made the right pick. Yesterday, during that selection show, their camera was running at the University of Michigan. Their football team was watching the selection show as it was happening, and they built a suspense, and the final choice was, as we just played, number 4, Alabama. And when they flashed on the screen, the number 4 was going to be Alabama, and therefore Michigan was going to